Use my body to keep you alive. Use my body to keep you alive.
Yeah, I'm on Durango, number 95. Take me to the home-deck booth and a ultra loud. See heaven, flash a horror show. Knock it nice and smooth, step back and watch it flow. Yeah!
But what is this that I can't see with ice cold hands taking hold of me?
Scream if you want it!
When God is gone and the devil takes hold, who will have mercy on your soul? Death.
Scream if you want it!
No wealth, no ruin, no silver, no gold. Nothing satisfies me but